Seriously, dude? He's okay.
They don't like to be on their backs and show vulnerable sides or something.
Yeah. You're not sorry,